Baby Reiki has a question with their homework, grade 3, January 2025. Can you tell us again, baby?
This.
Blueberry.
The bakery sold blank blueberry muffins each month, but it's different blueberry muffins each month.
Okay, so the bakery sold blank blueberry muffins each month, but the chart shows different blueberries. Ito yung mga stinadi ni Daddy. Okay, so make sure, 'di ba, bakery sold blueberry, okay? You look at the chart here. What color is this?
Chocolate,
And what color is this?
blueberry,
No, the square.
gray,
Ito.
light gray,
Okay, so anong color to?
light gray,
Ito.
gray.
Yan. So you follow the
But Daddy, they're all different lengths.
ano different?
Daddy, it said the bakery sold blueberry muffins each month.
Okay.
It's all different.
Okay, so ano to, di ba? Each month. Tapos ito yung how many. So for example, in May, how many blueberry muffins were sold in May?
150.
Correct. Okay, so next, June.
150.
Correct. So, ano yun na lang natin yan? Finish natin yan. Dali tulungan kita. Taba ako ngayon